friends, this course is about education for sustainable development called as ESD. As all of us we know that in 2015 UNESCO and all its member countries, they have consensusly decided to achieve all the 17 sustainable development goals for every country, for every nation. So, and it is also decided that ESD, especially ESD, education for sustainable development goal, is the key tool to achieve all the 17 goals for every nation. Hence, this course is an endeavor in that direction. For our country, like in 2020, our national education policy also advocates for same thing, like emphasizing on inclusive education, quality education for all, gender equality, human rights, and skill and competency based education, professional training, all etc., everything for global job opportunities and employability skills. So, this course is an endeavor in that direction, in the special emphasis on our national education policies. Now, Government of India has also declared that Atmanirbhar Bharat, how we have to take up this scheme of government of being self-reliant, self-sustainable. So, this course also tries to create an awareness among the citizens, among our youth, among our citizens, learn how to develop these skills, 21st century skills, competencies, etc., as well as how to learn certain sustainability competencies, etc., to behave like the global citizens. And this kind of approach can also help us in achieving all the 17 SDGs for India as well by 2030, because the deadline is by 2030 every nation across the globe, they are supposed to achieve these 17 SDGs. So, I think this course will help us in creating, disseminating the information and creating an awareness among our citizens, both rural, urban, youth, children, all across the platforms, to be conscious, to adopt that sustainability approach in our lifestyle, in our consumption, in our behavior, so that not only we that means we live sustainably at present, but also we are going to preserve our future by conserving our natural resources and other kinds of resources, and making our planet a healthy place, a sustainable place to live in. So, this is one of the objective of this course, and the next is that this pedagogy new normal education platform, like this post pandemic context, it has become very relevant to to sustainably use our resources, both technical, non-technical, manpower, all kinds, natural resources, all kinds of resources, how to sustainably use it, preserve it, conserve it for our future generation. And in this post pandemic situation, in this new normal platform especially, it has taught us also a number of skills for engaging our learners, engaging our students, and being sustainable, being self-sufficient in digital platforms, and it has also taught us a lesson that how to preserve our resources, how to distribute it, how to be caring and empathetic towards our society, how to sort out and solve our problems, social problems, how to be compassionate, how to be empathetic. So, all these kind of positive character strengths also we need to learn, so that because we need to bring a paradigm shift in our mindset, in our attitude, in our behavior, so that all of us we become the global citizens, to be conscious, to be aware of all the requirements, all our shortcomings, all our disasters that we are facing nowadays, in every aspect, both in the human resource aspect, both in the our natural resources aspect, as well as in our economy and the financial growth, economy, jobs, employment, and workplace related issues also, how we can be very sustainable, how to adopt that mindset. So, it has to, we have to we have to adopt it in our behavior, in our mindset, in our thought process. So, it is kind of immersive learning. It would be a contemplative learning to think seriously about our situation, the problems we are facing, the humanity, and all kinds of, starting from terrorism to economic then slowdown, to competencies, to the digital equipment, digital skill, all kinds of things, because now our government has also advocated for Atmanirbhar Bharat. So, how can we be Atmanirbhar? How can we be sustainable? How can we be self-reliant? So, for that matter we have to change our thinking process, we have to change our lifestyle, we have to change our consumption, we have to change our habits pattern. So, this course is an endeavor to bring that kind of cognitive, behavioral, emotional and affective components of our behavior, of our personality, and how to be positive. And so, all these kind of concepts, the discussions will help us in reflecting on our behavior, in adopting a sustainable lifestyle, and motivate our citizens and motivate our younger generation to live sustainably, to to serve sustainably our planet, our society, and how to bring sustainable happiness to our society and make a planet more sustainable, make especially in Indian context also how we are going to achieve the 17 SDGs by 2030. So, this will be our primary focus and goal, not only for ourselves, for our country, for our planet as well. So, this is about this course, and I hope you will enjoy, you will learn so many things. It brings us a kind of passion, compassion, energy to this, to be different, to something, to be compassionate to our earth, planet earth, to be compassionate about our society, our people, and how to achieve these goals for our country. And definitely we want to be the global citizen, to behave globally, because nowadays in this context all of us were interconnected. So, how to be an effective global citizen to protect our planet, to conserve our resources for future generation, and to save our planet earth. Thank you very much.